After discussing the benefits of IPO, let us go over the steps involved in the process of IPO. Hiring of a merchant banker and other intermediaries. Merchant bankers are the financial experts who will act as a facilitator throughout the IPO. They study the crucial financial parameters of the company and help in determining amount of money to be raised, issue price, and type of security that is being issued.
Registration for IPO. A draft prospectus called as Red Herring Prospectus is also prepared, which contains all compulsory disclosures as per the SEBI ICDR regulation and the Companies Act. This document will be made public for everyone's access. This is to be submitted to the SEBI and the stock exchange for the in-principle approval. After the approval, the company has to file the final prospectus to the ROC, SEBI and the exchange for opening of the issue. However, in case of SME IPO, there is no need to take the in-principle approval from SEBI.
In-principle approval by SEBI and exchange. SEBI and exchange then verifies the disclosure of the facts by the company in the DRHP. After such verification, SEBI and exchange may ask for the additional details and justification, and if SEBI and exchange is satisfied, it will provide the in-principle approval for launching of the IPO.
Creating a buzz by roadshows. Before an IPO opens to the public, the company strives to create a buzz in the market through roadshows. Over the weeks, the executive and the staff of the company will advertise the impending IPO across the country. This is a marketing and advertising tactic to attract potential investors. The key highlights of the company are shared with various people, including business analysts and fund managers. This is done via modes like question and answer sessions, multimedia presentations, group meetings, and online virtual roadshows, etc.
Pricing of IPO. Determining the price and the number of shares is an essential step of IPO, and it is generally done a few days before filing the final prospectus to ROC. Company can either fix a single price via fixed price method at the time of filing of DRHP to SEBI and exchange for in-principle approval.
Making the IPO available to the public. For a pre-decided period, public can apply for the IPO by submitting their applications. This period usually ranges between 3 to 10 days.
Closure of IPO. Once the IPO bidding is closed, the shares will be allotted to the public after T+3 days from the closure of the IPO, and after T+6 days, the company will get listed on the stock exchange.